Hi, welcome to another episode of Bob Montego. Ever sit by and wonder why everybody looks successful and I'm left behind? Well, there are different reasons for everyone, but here are five reasons that I would warn many Jamaicans against that could actually be a lesson learned too late in life. One, wake up every day crushing weed in the middle of your hand and lean against a wall on the street, not doing anything. Two, refusing to accept the jobs that you're actually only qualified for because somehow you think they're beneath you. Three, living a champagne life off a beer budget. Four, wasting time having children that your parents will have to take care of, before you're actually capable of maintaining them. And five, not pushing yourself harder when you could have to get an education, no matter how little, or a skill, no matter how small. These things will have you wake up one day wondering what the hell happened in my life. Thanks for watching Bob Montego. If you haven't yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my video. Thanks again for watching.